Welcome back, students. Yesterday we discussed about the summary of the chapter 3 questions of honeycomb. So today we will discuss about the answers of the questions that I had given yesterday. We will start with the first one. Why did the king want to know answers to 3 questions? And the answer is the king wanted to know answers of his 3 questions because he wanted to be a successful ruler. Question number 2. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. We are having 4 options here. We have to choose the correct one from that. And the correct one is to find answers to the questions. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom to find answers to the questions. Now look at the next question. Complete the following sentences by adding the appropriate parts of the sentences given in the box. Means half of the section is given upside and remaining half is in the box. So we have to choose the correct option from the given box. As our first one is, many wise men answered the king's questions. It will be matched with the third option in the box, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Now the second one, someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men, and the correct option is the last one, to help the king act at the right time. Now the third one, someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable, and the correct option is the fourth one, and follow it strictly. Fourth one, the king requested the hermit. The second option is the correct one from the box, to answer 3 questions. Fifth one, the king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound. And the correct option is the first one, but the bleeding wouldn't stop. Now look at the question answers. Question number 1 is, why was the king advised to go to magicians? And your answer is, in answer to the first question, in order to decide the right time for doing something urgent, one must have to look into the future. Since only magician could do that, the king was advised to go to the magician. Now the second one, in answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Here is your answer. In answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Others said the priests. A few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that soldiers were the most necessary. So now we will move further with our question number 3. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? And our answer is, in answer to the third question, some said science will be most important. Others suggested fighting, and some said religious worship. Now question number 4. Did the wise men win the reward? If not, why not? And the answer is, no, the wise men did not win the reward. The king got different for all the 3 questions he asked. He was not satisfied with any of them. Now we will do our question number 5. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? Answer. The king and the hermit helped the wounded man by providing him the shelter and protected from the army. The king washed and covered the wound of the man with his handkerchief, but the blood wouldn't stop flowing. The king redressed the wound until it stopped bleeding. They took him to hut for taking rest, and king also gave him fresh water after being relaxed. Now our question number 6 is in 2 sections. First one is, who was the bearded man? And the second one, why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? So look at the first part. Bearded Man was the enemy of the king, who sought to revenge him for seizing of his property and putting his brother to death. The answer of the second part is he asked for the king's forgiveness as the king had saved his life. He came there for taking revenge from the king, but instead the king helped him to get better. Now we will do the seventh one. The king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? Answer is the king showed his forgiveness by sending his servants and his own doctor to look after him, and he promised to give back the wounded man his property. Now we will do our question number 8. What were the hermit's answer to the 3 questions? Write each answer separately. Which answers do you like the most and why? Answer is the most important time, the hermit said, is our present, because it is the only moment when we have the power to act. The most important person at a moment is we ourselves, because the future is unknown and we don't know whether we will meet anyone in the future or not. So we should listen to ourselves. The most important business is to be kind and good to others, because we have been sent in this world to serve this noble cause. I like the third answer the most, because helping someone in need is like serving God. It makes us a good person and brings a sense of satisfaction and contentment. Now here you can see the matching that is given on the screen. Match items in list A with their meanings in list B. For example, fainted means lost consciousness. So in the same way we have to find out the answers. Wounded, the meaning of it is severely injured. Awoke, got up from sleep. Forgive, pardon. Faithful, loyal. Pity, feel sorry for. Beds, small patches of ground for plants. Return, give back. So here we are ending up this chapter. Meet you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye.